Right, guys. What's up? We're here with Manps, you know, yours truly. BMW E39 M5. Sport mode on. Traction control off. Let's see if this guy do anything.
Oh yeah, I need to get some tires.
You gas. Look at him lolling up.
Nah, I need to get some tire balancing, wheel balancing. Tires are a bit wobbly.
Anyway guys, what's happening guys? It's your boy Rand here, back here again, another LowLife video for you guys. We don't have that much going on.
I've got a new toolbox.
This guy's getting gassed about his, he's got a new toolbox. I still need to get one. Yeah, basically we're not gonna be doing much today. Only thing on the list is we're gonna be picking up a customer's car or van, shall I say, to go drop off in Hertfordshire to get a certain issue fixed on the injector side. After that, we're just literally gonna come back in this bad boy. See if we can get some shots of him touring it. He basically got his S-Class, S320 CDI brakes to change. Quite fairly simple. That's about it really. And then after that, this guy's so gassed, yeah. Because he's got his new toolbox that's been delivered today. He wants to spend all the time he can get just to clean his tools, make it look all nice and shiny, spit and polish, and get them all organised into this box. That's about it really. Oh, and I was just checking, I have all my videos, the BMW E91, which is his car, when we slammed it, put coilies and wheels and everything, has hit over 10,000 views, which I'm so happy about, which I got you guys to thank. Yeah, obviously I gotta thank you guys for that. Obviously it's only because of you guys. Don't forget, just keep following, share, you know, show all your mates, anyone that's in the car industry or enthusiasts. So yeah, just keep showing the love. I appreciate everything you guys do. Obviously, if there's anything, type of things you want to see, let me know in the comment section below. I'll try to do my best. I'll try to get more project cars to work on. So yeah, we've got a few things, a couple of my cars, his cars, other cars, so see how it goes. Can you explain what you're doing?
Yeah, I bought this toolbox here. You have to build the toolbox, so I'm just putting bearings in.
Well, that much of a build up, yeah?
Yeah, not a bolt, bro.
No, I'm pretty sure these come pre-made, man.
No.
You sure about that?
I know it because I bought it, man.
But the thing is, I was there when you unwrapped it, so.
Yeah, I had to put. They forgot to do the sliders, didn't it?
Interesting. Alright, so basically what's happened is he just bought a brand new toolbox here. It just come today. Yeah, my man's so gassed about it, so happy about it, yeah, because finally he's got a place to put his shit tools in. he just we literally had just put it together, and we took out the front house, and then as soon as we took it out of the thing, first step, this whole thing that was on top of that, we was holding the whole thing, and then this guy, this joker, decided to put all the stuff here, all the heavy stuff here, in the drawers, and didn't even lock the drawers.
Well, you can't lock these drawers.
This don't have a lock?
No, not these.
Oh shit, oh, they're only the top one. Well, either way, he decided to put all the heavy stuff in the drawer, and then it sort of went to one side, and the drawers opened, that kind of dropped out, kind of dropped on his leg a little bit, and it damaged one of these drawers. Or two is damaged. Oh shit! Mate, you got some curve marks right there, man. Fuck. But anyway, yeah, it basically fucked up one of the sliders, and the bearings that's in one of the slider all dropped out. We found most of them, but yeah, he's just trying to repair it now. So this is considered a cat demo. This just came off the dealership floor today. One owner. It did hold its value, but now it's a cat demo. And the funny thing is, I know he's pissed about it because he just got anyone would, but it's still kind of funny though. The only thing I'm thinking about is the alcohol holder. This makes a good alcohol holder right there. So guys, sort my hair out. Yeah, man's got to look at like on point for you guys. Yeah. I don't swing that way anyway, so you know what I'm saying.
What's the media point?
Media, I haven't checked it. But so basically I've been given the opportunity to organise his toolbox. The Cat D, the now Cat D.
Now guys, it's been for roaster testing. Look, it's fine.
I want to see a certificate for that. Huh? I want to see a certificate for that. So basically I'm going to be sorting that shit out while having a few brewskis. That's his, that's mine. And he's going to get on with the brakes. I think he's going to be changing, what, front and rear pads, isn't it? Yeah, front and rear pads. Light hasn't gone off, but the pads are actually quite low apparently, so yeah. Okay guys. Alright guys, so box is done. They're glossy, alcohol's still there. So this is just temporary for now. Well, most of it is actually going to be permanent, but this thing here is just temporary for now because he doesn't have the things to whatnot. To be honest, I can put that with the other sockets, but I just chose not to. So at the moment over here, we got the.
Yeah, this is gonna fall though, bro.
Yeah, I know. I just put it there for time. I just took it out of that.
But why did you put it here?
No. It really needs to go in the sockets, but that's that for now. There's nothing in here. That's still nothing there. All right, top drawer. It's gonna have all your screwdrivers. Anything screwdriver related. Yeah. Different sizes, length. Yeah. Ratchets, extensions, adapters, and spark plug sockets. Yeah. Over here you have your little pliers and grips and shit like that, or if you were not, cutters. Yeah. Over here are your sockets. So you got your long deep sockets, double hex sockets, short double hex. Nah. Then you got your dense double hex, short, and then short normal E sockets, and then that one. And then over here are your spunner. Yeah. Alright, so basically here's the update, guys. We didn't do the Mercedes because when he took the wheels off, he had to look at it. The pads were fine. It was just something else. So like yeah. We didn't really do the brakes, so that was pretty much no go. The only thing we managed to do, or that I mainly managed to do, was organize his new Cat D toolbox. His not even snap on, but strap on. But yeah, so that is actually pretty much it really for today. Don't know if this is gonna be much of a video, but I don't know, it is what it is. I think we're gonna end it here, yeah? That's it. It's a wrap today, guys. So guys, hope you I hope you enjoyed this video for what it was. Don't know what I'm even gonna call it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button. You know, got some good videos coming. I've got some good videos already up already. All my videos are good. But yeah, go hit that subscribe button if you want to follow us. Yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. So until then, drive safe, be cool.